Hey everybody, this is me again with another video about crypto, this time about Incent. The website is incentloyalty.com. I've been an investor of this since the ICO, quite a while ago already, and I was already excited about it, but now there are some new developments and I'm extremely excited about the future of this project, and I wanted to share the information. First of all, I'm not a professional investor. This is not investment advice. So this is just me. I'm passionate about crypto and about this stuff. I am an investor myself. So I have stakes in this, you could say, but I'm not a member of the Incent team. I don't work for them. I just am an investor myself. And I'm excited about the potential of crypto in general and Incent also. So please don't invest any money you can't afford to lose. Cryptocurrency is very risky. It's also very profitable if you do it right, but please don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Okay, so Incent, this is about a loyalty program. So one of most famous loyalty program probably is Air Miles, or maybe a bonus card you get from the supermarket. You save points and you can spend them, right? That's like a loyalty program, and the goal is for the company to keep them loyal to their company. So like you want to go back to the company, so you get the points, so they keep you as a client, and in exchange you get points that are worth something. Seems very cool, right? And it is kind of, but those points, if you think about them, are very, I mean, are they worth anything? It depends on the company, right? It's just some points on a card and they decide what it is, right? It's not a real, doesn't have a real value. They can change their program, they can cancel the points, they can create more points, maybe change the whole thing. And Incent wants to create a crypto coin for this space. So any company could give their clients not just a bonus point, but an Incent coins. And these are crypto coins that have value like any Bitcoin, and they can be changed and exchanged and traded and sold. Saved maybe, because they will rise in value if the platform gets more successful. So it's a whole new way of thinking about this loyalty program. So they say as well, Incent is the future of loyalty, harnessing the blockchain to turbocharge merchant revenue in a way that traditional schemes cannot. Well, have a look at the video. I like the website, they redesigned it. So it's very basic, like they create use the Incent coin as a promotion. Have plugins in your platform, so maybe an e-commerce shop or an app, or in a store you can have a device there, and clients can then save those Incents and spend them if they want, or save them, or yeah, that's the idea. So have a look at the site. I was excited about the concept when I first heard about it. Some people need to get their head around it. Some people are like, well, if I buy with company A and they get Incent coins from company A, they can actually spend it at company B, which is a competitor, right? And that's true, and it seems a bit counterintuitive at first, but now that I think more about it, it's actually a very nice way. If you get Incent coins from a company, you buy, I don't know, you buy a TV and you get like 10 euros worth of Incent as a bonus from that company, right? And a week later, or maybe 2 months later, you start up the app and you see that the 10 euros has actually risen in value. It's now 11 euros maybe. And you can spend it anywhere, but the first store you're going to think about is the first store where you got it. It will work that way. And as well, if you get like a promotion from that store where you already bought something, and you get an extra promotion maybe, or an extra bonus, which will be provided in the system they will create. It's going to be a very exciting way to stay connected with your clients, I think. So yeah, they have a good team in Sydney, far away from me in Holland, but I chat with them sometimes online, and they seem very professional, nice team. So Incent is based on the Waves platform. It's probably the bigger project, first bigger project that's going to be launched on the Wave project, or it is launched already on the Waves platform, which I also am very passionate about. So it's very cool. In my other videos I've told about Waves. It's a nice way to create tokens, and this Incent is just one use case that can be used on the Waves platform. So I bought the ICO, invested quite a bit in Incent, and as you can see, things are going very well now. This was back in April of 2016. So this is quite a while ago. I think that is this April. No, sorry, it wasn't listed that long on Bittrex. I'm sorry about that. I should go here. In December of 2016, the ICO happened, and it was about 0.1 Bitcoin, but the price of Bitcoin was way lower then, right? So you can see the US dollar value in green is quite a bit up now already. And as you can see the trend, there's more trading now. It's listed on Bittrex, so that's a medium-sized exchange, I would say. And yeah, there's more hype created. And why? Well, this is the white paper. I'll link it in the description. This is of course what I read before I invested. And I just really like the concept and the clear text here. So it's a good read if you want to know in detail what Incent is all about. But this says it all, using blockchain to boost commerce. And if you believe like me that blockchain is a huge hype and a huge booming market, then it makes sense to use it in this space. On their blog you can read their latest news, of course. One I want to show is the first one, the beginning. So this was January 5th. So yeah, the ICO was in December, so that makes sense. And they raised only 1.1 million, which is good, of course, but for an ICO it's not that much actually recently with all the crazy ICOs. So to me it shows that they can create something with very little money, right? Because the market cap now is already 3.5 million. So they went yeah, a few 100% already, which is very nice. Well, this is some details about how it started. And a recent update was a lot of stuff. First of all, the core build, they use Ionic to create a nice wallet app, which I'm very curious about. They have BlockSwap. BlockSwap is a way to send, to switch Ethereum and waves. So you can send waves, coins like Incent, over the Ethereum network, which is pretty cool because now they can use the way bigger Ethereum system to transfer stuff. Haven't used it myself yet. I just buy it and hold it and see where it goes, but it's good tech. ICO tech, they're developing ICO technologies to allow other companies to have ICOs, and the first one that will happen, and why I believe Incent will rise quite substantially soon, is Mobile Go. It's gonna go live in 6 days. It's the 19th of April 2017 today, and they're gonna have an ICO for game credits, which is a crypto for in games, right? So if you pay, if you're a gamer, a lot of people pay money for digital in-game transactions, right? And it makes sense to use crypto to have a real value across games and across platforms. So they're going to fight this space, right? The Apple Store, the Google Play Store, where you have to pay with dollars and euros, of course. And they're going to create some crypto coin. I'm probably going to invest in this a little bit. Because I think the gaming industry and crypto make very much sense to be close together. It's a good team as well. And of course, there's a special, since Mobile Go is also on Wave's platform and it's a close partner with Incent, you get an Incent bonus if you do the ICO. So if you want to have some extra Incent and also participate in an attractive ICO, Mobile Go is a good way to do it, I think. This is a nice article about it. It says here like the Incent crowdfund, when they ended, they invested in this space, and right now Incent, why hold Incent? As part of the agreement, 0.5% of the value of every deposit will be sent to investors as an Incent bonus. So you get a bonus of 0.5%, which seems little maybe, but it's kind of big actually. If you think about it, it's 0.5% on every transaction extra of a coin that could probably go up quite a bit. So if you deposit 20 Bitcoin, for instance, you will receive 0.1 Bitcoin in Incent. And for Incent investors like me, this is very interesting, of course. Because of this will be acquired from the open market, it will place additional demand and buy pressure on Incent. So if Mobile Go is successful, and ICOs recently have done some crazy moves, if 1 million is collected by Mobile Go, 5,000 of Incent will be purchased. 1 million might be very low, they say already. So this could be very interesting for the price of Incent, because especially if you see the trading volume, I mean, yeah, $60,000 a day volume, right? So their example of 5,000 is 10% of the daily volume. That would kind of create some really nice buy pressure, I would say. So so that's Mobile Go, and a very quick overview of Incent for me. If you look at the charts, I mean, there's potential here. It's already gone up quite a high, so hey, it is a local top. It could be the top, so be curious. Be careful where you buy, of course. But Incent is only listed on Bittrex, basically. I mean, there are other markets, Cryptopia, but that is only 8%, 8.5% of the volume. Open Ledger and Liqui are very small. I mean, they have some, they're very low volume, so it's hard to buy there. So in my mind, as soon as Incent gets listed on other bigger exchanges, the volumes will go up and the price should rise as well as soon as there are real new developments, or if they partner with bigger companies. So one of the most important thing is, if let's say they get some big company to use Incent, so company A wants to use Incent for their platform, right, for their clients, their marketing goals, they will need Incent, and that Incent will be bought on the market. So the more companies will start using this platform, the more value Incent is gonna have for the investors and for the early buyers like us. So to me, this is a very, very interesting use case for crypto and for loyalty programs. So Incent is the shortcut, and you can buy it at Bittrex. Please don't invest anything you can't afford to lose, and I'm looking forward to the future of this platform.